All right, guys, we have a Huracan Performante right here. I haven't seen one of these for a while. We see more like STOs. We have a flooded STO over here right now. But yes, thank you. It looks like brake rotors for something. I'm not sure, but yeah. Huracan Performante. This was wrapped in satin black previously, and the customer did not like the quality. It was wrapped somewhere else, not by us. And he actually wanted to do it all over again. He wanted to make the wheels satin black, the brake calipers satin black, all of it, door jambs, everything. And came out flawless, looks incredible. It looks like factory Nero Nemesis, basically, like a paint job. And the wheels look really nice in satin too. These wheels are pretty nice from Lamborghini, and they're center lock obviously, but in satin black, they look really, really good, along with that satin black brake caliper that we painted. So there you have it, another wrap job done.
Alright guys, we have a Porsche Cayenne GTS. This car came in for this, as you guys can see, cracked. Something hit the windshield, made it worse, and now just like that, magic. Brand new glass being put in, 2 people on the car, and that's it. Very simple windshield replacement, good to go.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
yeah.
Brand new,
Like nothing happened.
like nothing happened.
This
Brand
is
new,
when you work with original parts.
original parts.
This is the best.
There you go.
Yeah.
The best in the West.
Yeah.
Yep.
Exactly.
Yeah, nothing better than the original parts, you guys. Don't get that Chinese, Japanese windshield stuff on your cars. Pay for original, get quality.
I love it.
That's a bad word.
I don't give a fuck. They love it.
It's not too hard.
Hard.
I see your blood. Okay, okay. No.
No.
Like this, like this.
That was
Oh,
What's going on?
بالله سعيد بوبلة.
no.
Huh? Bolna.
Okay.
How old are you?
55 years younger.
55?
Yes.
Allah.
Don't scare.
Here we got a guy with no hair, hanging on to every thread, and in a Mustang GT SUV. I don't know what that is exactly. It's electric, that I know that. But this was an accident, and we just fixed it. But I don't think he knows how to drive it. Come on, man. It needs a wash, so that's gonna be the final quality check, wash, and check all that out. But this had a pretty significant damage, and we went ahead and fixed it via insurance. So it's all good now. Like I said, we work on everything from Rolls Royces to Ford, doesn't matter. Mach E4X is the model, I guess. That tire has a bubble, you gotta change that, sir. Okay, so it needs a new tire, obviously, because there's a bubble right here, and that means it's gonna explode eventually because the radial is busted over there. So Moses wants Korean barbecue, we're gonna try to make that happen.
Hey, take it off.
Ah, it's big, it's so big, it's huge.
Hey, chill.
¿Qué pasó, loco?
Piece of cake.
I don't give a f.
We should make that into a shirt.
Yeah.
Make it a shirt.
I don't give a f.
Yeah.
don't give a-
Your face.
I don't give a f. You wanna make it? I don't give a f. What? That's Pedrito. That's our new team right now. Yes, we have a Pedro right here in the blue shirt. Pedro, raise your hands. Peter. Peter. And Ernesto, right there. Ernesto, raise your hands. Ese es el nuevo equipo que tenemos. That's the new team we have right now for RDVLA. All preparation we have. We prepared right now all the pieces for the. What kind of car is that, Royce?
The Spectre? Spectre. Yeah.
Spectre. That, how you say?
The Spectre.
Spectro.
Spectro. Spectrum.
A Spectrum. Well, we have the parts for that car, all the pieces. We have the fender pieces, we have all the bumper pieces, all the chromes, and also some couple of parts with the. We have a couple wings that's coming flat, but we're gonna make it shiny. So the car has to be shiny. So we're gonna shoot clear on the pieces. So for the moment, they prepare all the pieces chrome. It's hard job. It's really hard because it has to send the minimum spat shiny. All it has to be sanding and then preparing for paint. So
Shout.
that's how it is. So in this one, we have this one, future another white body. You will see soon. We have a rear damage in the bumper, so we have all the parts already, but we do the body work right now for this. It's aluminum. So you guys, see you.
What is that?
Oh, it's a drill bit. Ah! Really?
Wow. You guys have seen this beauty before. There's a beautiful Porsche limited edition speedster. This thing is gorgeous, you guys. Beautiful. Nice paint job, original paint job. Interior is flawless. This car's in here for a little bit of the bottom spoiler is damaged. We're just gonna paint the lower portion of it. But you guys can see how clean this car is. It's a very, very nice car. So, wow, I want this.
The talk of the weekend was the new Bugatti, the Tourbillon. A lot of you guys saw me drive the first one on my Instagram. It has gull-wing doors, which we don't see on Bugattis.
Fuck, man.
1800 horsepower. So no more turbo for Bugatti. I mean, I used to love the Veyron, how it sounds. Sounds like an airplane, but this is going to be entirely different. Like, how fast is that screen going to break?
That's a lot of money, man, for a car.